Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty beyond. Today, we're diving into the COSLUS Cordless Nail Drill electric file, a portable, rechargeable nail drill that promises professional-level results at home. If you've ever struggled with bulky nail tools or found yourself tangled in cords, this sleek, lightweight drill could be your game changer. Let's kick things off with a quick product overview. The COSLUS Cordless Nail Drill is specifically designed for both manicure and pedicure needs, featuring adjustable speeds, forward-reverse options, a variety of grinder bits. Weighing in at just 0.2 lbs, this drill is not only portable but also user-friendly, particularly for beginners who might be intimidated by more complex tools. The cordless design and pen-shaped structure make it comfortable to hold, ensuring ease of use even for extended periods. Now, speaking from personal experience, the setup process was a breeze. No complicated instructions or tools. Just charge it up, pick your desired bit, you're ready to go. The drill's performance, however, is where it truly shines. Whether you're working on acrylics, gels, or dip powder nails, the COSLUS handles it all with finesse. The motor runs quietly, with minimal heat, thanks to an upgraded mechanism designed for longevity, low vibration. Let's talk pros, cons. On the plus side, the portability of this drill is unmatched. You can take it anywhere without worrying about finding a power outlet. The 6-hour battery life is also impressive. If you ever run out of juice mid-session, you can keep using it while it charges. However, while it's great for routine maintenance and light work, it might not be the best choice for those needing heavy-duty filing, especially on very thick nails. In comparison to similar products on the market, like the Becure MP62, the COSLUS stands out for its cordless convenience lightweight design. While the Becure offers more power, it's also bulkier, tethered to a cord, which could be a deal-breaker for those who value mobility. When it comes to value for money, the COSLUS is reasonably priced, especially considering its features, its durability. It's a solid investment for both beginners, more experienced users looking for a reliable, portable nail drill. The build quality is solid, with a well-constructed body, no noticeable design flaws, making it a long-term addition to your nail care routine. User-friendliness is another highlight. The controls are straightforward. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Customer support from COSLUS has also been reported as responsive, helpful, should you encounter any issues. We also put this drill through some real-world testing, tackling both delicate cuticle work, more intense acrylic removal. The results were consistent, with the drill maintaining steady speed, precision throughout. There have been no major updates to the product since its release, but the initial design seems to cover all the bases effectively. So, what's the final verdict? The COSLUS Cordless Nail Drill is a versatile, reliable tool that delivers on its promises. While it may not replace a professional-grade salon drill for intensive tasks, it's an excellent choice for at-home nail care, particularly for those who value portability seats ease of use. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It helps us bring you more great content, allows others to discover videos like this. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to get the COSLUS Cordless Nail Drill in the description box below. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments. If you already own this drill, let us know your thoughts.